everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm coming to you from the Haus Tools workshop. And there used to be an ad campaign, too much good stuff? Is there such a thing as too much good stuff? Well, in this little set, let's find out. This is a Wiha set. This is a 61-piece impact bit set. And let's see, is there a part number? This is 76, wish I had my reading glasses here, 76668 it looks like. We'll get a confirmation below and you'll see that. Anyway, what this is a tight little metal box. Look at that, very small, very tight. Nothing's going anywhere. You don't hear any jiggling at all. Easy to open, easy to close. And when you open it up, it is jam-packed with bits. There's also a cheat sheet in here to tell you what's there. Comes with a 1/4-inch bit holder, so it fits in any chuck, any screwdriver, anything that does your normal 1/4-inch bits. And there's the magnetic side here. And what does it come with? Well, let me just read the card because there's so much. It comes with number 1, 2, and 3 Phillips here. But you don't just get one, you get 3 number 1s, you get 7 number 2s. Why? That's your most popular one, and it's probably the one you're either going to lose or break the most. Not that you're going to break them, but when you start working on these things quite a bit, they can wear down. You get a number 3, you get 1 of those. How about your square bits? You have number 1, 2, and 3. You get 2 number 1s, 4 number 2s, and 1 number 3. Torx bits. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, and 40. And you get 2 10s, 4 15s, 5 20s, 6 25s, 1 27, 2 number 30s, and 2 number 40s. Quite a bit. How about hex? You got hex here both in imperial and millimeter. 3 millimeter, you get 2. 4 millimeter, you get 2. 5 millimeter, 2. 6 millimeter, 2. In the inch size, you get 2 1/8 inch, 2 9/64, 2 5/32, 2 3/16, 2 7/32, and 1/4 inch. You also get this nice one here. Where did I just see that one? Right here. This is a 1/4 inch to square. So while you can't see that super good on the camera, that's got the little ball bearing detent, and this is 1/4 inch for sockets. So you can use this piece with any socket you already have in another set. So that's always nice. And then it came with the bit holder that doesn't fit inside, but again, this could go in any screwdriver holder handle to make it magnetic, or you can chuck it in your drill or driver. So, can you ever have too many bits? I don't think so. I go through them quite a bit when I'm working, whether you drop them, you lose them, or you wear them out over time. So this nice set has a nice collection here for you. These are impact rated, so they work fine in your little impact drivers, etc. So, send us a comment below if you would. Let us know. Do you like this set? Is this a set you would want to buy? If so, click below and you can buy it directly from Haus Tools. And if you could leave us a comment on how you like this set, that'd be great. Also, please like and subscribe. We appreciate that. We're trying to grow the channel, so we keep these videos coming so you get a nice visual on how the tools look. Until then, we'll see you on the next video.